Chapter 1 About Frogs. Repeat, repeat, repeat. It's time to learn about the sniffs of frogs. Frogs breathe with their lungs on land. Frogs breathe through the skin and the water. Frogs belong to an animal group called amphibians. This type of animal spends part of its life on land and part in the water. Frog parts: skin, eye, nostril, ear, foot. Here is a picture of a frog. Its eyes are on top of its head. This helps the frog see above water. Its feet are wet. This helps the frog to swim. Frogs have big eyes. Frogs have wet feet. But frogs do not stop looking this way. Keep reading to learn about their fantastic life cycle. Chapter 2 Egg to Tadpole. A frog egg looks like this. A frog begins its life inside an egg. Female frogs lay eggs in the water. Some lay for 1,000 eggs at one time. A newborn tadpole looks like this. After a few weeks, they hatch out from tiny tadpole. A tadpole does not look like a frog at all. It has a long tail and no legs. Fish, crabs, and tadpole all have gills. The tadpoles cannot leave the water. It behaves kind of like a fish. It breathes through gills. This is a back neck. As the tadpole grows, its lungs grow. Lungs have it to breathe air. The tiny tadpoles get bigger and bigger. When it is about 7 weeks old, it grows into back necks. Chapter 3 Frog learns the frog. This is the front neck. The tadpole changes a little each day. When it is about 10 weeks old, it grows tiny front necks. This older frognut has a very small tail. After about 3 months, the tadpole turns into something called frognut. It's not like a frog, but it still has a tail. Every day, the tail gets smaller. A frog's skin looks like this. One day, the tail is all gone. Wow! About 4 months after hatching, a frognut is finally a grown-up frog. A frog can jump 20 times the length of its body. Hop, hop, hop. Now the frog is ready to live on land as well as in the water. Life cycle review. A frog life cycle lasts about 4 months. Do you remember the 4 main parts? Take a peek. One day, a female frog lays an egg in the water. 2 weeks, a tadpole hatches. It grows and changes. 3 months, a tadpole turns into a little frognut. 4 months, a frognut turns into a grown-up frog. Frogs like this can live to be 10 years old. Chapter 4 All grown up. Goliath frog. Frogs come in all different sizes. Some are small as cricket, others big as cats. Tree frog, tomato frog, golden leaf floating frog, Persian dart frog. Frogs come in lot of color too. Many are green, but others are red, yellow, and even bright blue. What is flying frog? There are 4,000 different kinds of frog in the world. There are even flying frog. Well, sort of. They live from tree and connect to the ground. So smoothly, it looks like they are flying. This is called vocal sac. Gray tree frog. Other frogs make noise. Some will puff out their throats and like this, need to balloon. Then they sing, crack, crack, crack.